Have I said how happy I am that you can make it?
I said I would come, didn't I? Even if things have been so crazy at work, but I won't miss that play for anything.
Yeah, I heard it's good.
Yeah, me too.
And you look nice. You look really, really nice.
You know, I thought our introduction would be the end of it, but your auntie was quite insistent that we meet. She kept calling.
Wow. So my aunt bullied you into this date?
Well, basically.
Oh. I mean, we could tell her that we met and we didn't quite vibe.
Well, we wouldn't know that until after today now, would we? So please, allow me enjoy my few play in peace.
Not to be lying.
What do you mean?
I mean, I think we'll get along. I'm glad I came to drop my aunt at the party. I'm glad she introduced us. I'm glad I got to meet you. I'm glad about a lot of things.
So my wanting a free play doesn't faze you?
Why should it? I asked you out. It's our first date. I should pay for it.
Okay. And subsequently?
Well, I think the person who initiates the outing should pay for it. Or the parties could go Dutch. You disagree?
I'm processing. I think we should head to Terra Culture for the play.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Hot boy shit, but I think I might be falling. Cause I'm always running when she calling. When she call on me, I can't be stopped.